Money, money, money. If you remember my video on Bank of America, you can pretty much apply the same concepts to here. Everyone needs money, often in the form of credit cards. And who supplies that? Banks. Banks are essential to both the economy and everyday life of every single person. That's why this series features more than a couple banks as potential investments. Hey guys, it's Newfire, back at it again with part 24 of my series SSSMI. As you already know, we're going to be discussing Chase Bank today, so let's get on with it. Only 2 more videos to go after this. We are so close to the finish line. So if you don't know by now, Chase is a banking company. It's actually one part of the larger banking holdings company, JP Morgan & Co. Our focus isn't going to be on the whole pie, but a big chunk of it. So to simplify, JP Morgan Chase & Co. is a parent company, and both JP Morgan and Chase are 2 independent branches within. Chase operates the consumer banking arm, and JP Morgan specializes in private investment banking. So everyday people like you and me who need a bank to get credit cards, loans, or retirement accounts would use Chase Bank. And you might be thinking, why invest in a bank of all places? Well, think about it. You trust banks every day to handle your money for you, so why not try to grow it with a bank as well? You'll see what I mean when we take a look at Chase's stock. So 10 years ago, Chase's stock price was $46. Now each stock trades at $142. So in 10 years, the stock grew about $100. So if you'd invested, say, a small sum of $1,000, your stocks would now be worth $3,000. 3 times growth over a decade isn't bad if I do say so myself. And looking at its past growth, you can assume that Chase will continue on the same path. Unlike other products which may come and go and live out its usefulness in a time of expanding technology, banks have and will continue to exist and play a large role in the economy and everyday life. People will continue to rely heavily on these financial institutions, which is why Chase can be a reliable investment. Moreover, like I mentioned in my video on Bank of America, banks are protected by the government to some extent, which you'll see an example of soon enough, making banks a more reliable investment than some others. So what do you say? I like Chase's growth and all the advantages that come with investing in a bank. It's shown some good growth, and with its name, can continue to be one of the largest banks in the US. Overall, it satisfies your checklist for a good investment. Now it's up to you whether you'd like to invest or not. When choosing companies to invest in, it's important to find companies in all different sectors of the economy. For example, a couple investments in the tech sector, automobile, food, and banking. Spreading out your investments ensures that a drop in one of them doesn't affect your entire investment, so essentially it's a way of protecting yourself against heavy losses. And for the usual farewell, remember to try out 25 companies for 25 years. Remember to always invest wisely and do what you think is best for your financial situation and goals. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for my next video on Citibank. This is Newfire, signing out.